Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Cahyadin with the NPM 21510310009. On the occasion of this, I will present the impact of negative that given of energy fossil on the quality of the air, and I also will show chart of the use of energy fossil from the year 1988 until the year 2100. One of the indicators of health in a region can be seen in the quality of the air, which is where it can reduce the number of hope alive if the area is filled with air not healthy. One of the cause of the quality of the air around decline is the increasing of energy fossil of every year. The population of the world continues to increase every year, so the increased need for energy also can be circumvented. Adult of this, almost all the need of the energy humans obtain from the conversion of the source of energy fossil. For example, the generation of electricity and tool transport, which use the energy of fossil as a source of energy. For direct or not direct, this lead to impact negatively on the environment and the health of creature life because the rest of the combustion energy fossil the produce substance pollutant. This is harmful. Pollution of the air, especially in cities, large has caused a decline in the quality of the air, interfering with the comfort of the environment, even have led to the occurrence of impaired health. The declining quality of the air is mainly caused by the use of the material fuel fossil that is not controlled and is not efficient in the means of transport, and industry are generally centralized in cities large. The activities of the stair and firewood of the house. The result of the study of some of the cities grid to show the vehicle is a source of major pollution of air. Here is a chart of the use of energy fossil from the year 1988 until the year 2100. Uh, the energy of fossil that there is recorded that there is seven energy, and I also make it key so easy to present a chart that for oil color orange, nuclear color purple, biomass color dark green, coal color gray, solar wine color yellow. Natural gas is color light blue, and the last hydro geothermal color dark blue. I will explain it from left to right from the year 1998 to the year 2100. Well, the first for the year 1988, the total use of energy of about 300 to 340 exajoules. The energy use is the oil to use is located on estimate 110 exajoules, coal around 100 exajoules, natural gas around 60 exajoules, hydro geothermal about 10 exajoules, biomass of about 30 exajoules, solar around 1 exajoules, nuclear about 5 exajoules. From the year 1988 to the year 2000, experienced an increase in the total use of energy fossil. The total to be 400 exajoules. It's because of the increased use of natural gas, nuclear, and solar to the energy that other used the same on a year earlier. Between the years 2010 and 2020, the total use of energy fossil same as the year 2000. Energy fossil already happened to decline in use in the year 2010, and in the year 2020 is already not used more energy. For energy, solar and natural gas occur increase while oil and coal are experiencing losses and biomass and hydro use remains. The course of the year 2020 to 2030 experienced a decline in the total use of energy fossil, the total to be around 380 exajoules. This can happen due to happen decline in the use of natural gas that previously always increased, and also the decline in the use of oil and coal. And from the passage of the years 2030 until the year 2100 occur the increase in the total use of energy fossil. The total use of 908 950 exajoules. It's like climbing the cliffs are very high. This is due to the increased use of solar on a scale large every year. The increase could be up by 70 exajoules for the use of the last in the year 2100. The use of solar is that the use of energy fossil of the largest in the history of the case is due to the use of solar reaches 700 exajoules. It very much if compared to the use of energy fossil below it, namely biomass, which only accounted for 250 exajoules. And where the energy that other, why can only there two? This is because since the year 2030, the use of energy, hydro, natural gas, coal, and oil always decline and eventually not used again. Well, pollution of air cut the expectation of life of a human to the years. However, the project material fuel fossil gas is a lot of fun rather than the initiative of the air clean. The survey annually by the Clean Water Fund, Tuesday, 7/9, which show the amount of money that is given to the fight against pollution of the air by the government of the donor and the organization of philanthropy, found that the list of priority funding the quality of the air, including the law. Less than 1% of expenditure development and in under 0.1% of grant philanthropy in the whole world used to air that is clean. It's not following the scale of the problem, said the director of the executive fund, Jen Burston, told EFP, citing the data at the list. At the latest, both the United Nations and the Organization of the Health of the World, WHO, called the pollution of the air one of the problem of the environment most deadly in the world that is responsible for millions of deaths. Burning material fuel fossil is a direct responsible charge over 2/3 of pollution of the air. The population of the country, income low and intermediate most exposed. The UN blamed the pollution of the air for at least 7 million deaths each year, and 9 out of 10 people breathe air that, according to the guidelines of the WHO, is not healthy. From the problem above, the following is one of the efforts that, according to me, should be done so that the quality of the air is improved. The example of the effort of this I get from the article titled Effort Improve the Quality of Air in Jakarta, Appreciated Observer of City Planning, that contains the improvement of the quality of the air can be realized with a way to fix the source of the population of the air its own. The result of the research mentioned the source of the population. The source of the pollution of the man is the transportation. Then from it ain't no choice. We must focus, handle it with developing thought, he said, from the broadcast of the press. According to him, Jakarta takes a map of the street or road map and plan of the parent to make the city free from pollution. Map of the road is provision for three parties, namely the agencies of the government, the public, and the private sector to contribute to improving the quality of air in Jakarta, he explained. Nirwana explained party related also need to encourage the transitional style of life of citizens ranging from the use of transportation, public, until the day walking, foot, and cycling. Along with that, also need to be optimized greening, such as planting trees, create and add a space open to green new, he said. Uh, and it also applied the street paid electronic, extending the odd even parking progressive due to do test emission and develop vehicle-friendly environment. To explain, Nirvana also proposed the establishment of a policy that requires citizens to donate or plant a tree while taking care of making documents such as renewal of vehicle registration, the making of the deed of birth to surat nikah. This need to plan the parent of planting trees. So if there is a program like this community, now they grow or donate a tree kind of what and in which he planted, he said. Then have me explain the expected rule, the need to immediately formulate the strategy for the management of energy and source of contaminants to the increase of pollutant can be kept at the bottom of the threshold limit is set for the community. The quality of the air that is healthy in time of the pandemic COVID-19 can be used as a momentum to remind back the entire society to bring the air clean. Patterns of development based on environmental and economic green need to be improved by various parties, ranging from the government, private sector, up to the level of the individual. Next slide. This slide contains internet resource that I use, and thank you. That's all. I'm sorry if there are shortcomings in my presentation. That's all, and thank you. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.